Alright, didn't film this one, but just got this one done. Easy property. Easy little property. We're gonna get loaded up. We're gonna go on to the next one. Let's see if we can get some footage on the next one. God bless you guys. What's going on, man? Check out my guy right here handling the stand on. He's been doing a heck of a job with us this summer. Just learning how to do different stuff. We've been teaching him about work, understanding the importance of work. Just a lot of stuff, just a lot of good character stuff being built during this summer. I just want to shout him out, just let him know, son, we're proud of you doing a heck of a job. So if you guys can, let's get him 100 likes on this video. Let him know we're doing a good job, because every now and then he'll peep in at it. But proud of you, son. Let's keep rolling. Let's get him some likes. Have y'all met our junior CEO? What you got to say?
Hello.
Hello. What you got to say about working lawn care this summer?
Pretty.
Huh?
Pretty cool.
It ain't what you thought it was, huh? It's real work out here, ain't it? All right, well. All right, we finna get packed up. Boss lady, back to blowing it off. Junior CEO. Some days he's junior CEO. Some days he's property manager. He'll switch it up on us. But we let him get a feel of the business. That's the only way your child learn. Letting them get involved and stuff like that. So it's always good to encourage them. That's how they grow in different capacities in life, right? You don't want to be one-minded when it come down to stuff like that. You got to stretch them so they can grow. So we're gonna get this one here blown it off. Like I said, we're finishing up. We're gonna go on to the next one. It's getting hot. It's only what, probably 10:30, maybe 11, and it's every bit of 90 degrees right now. Every bit of it of 90. Feeling all of it. There she go. Boss lady coming out the backyard. Getting it done. Gate locked. We good to go. We off and rolling. See you guys on the next one.